Bored versus boring. This pair of words is often confused by English learners, and every English language teacher should know how to make the difference clear. Bored is an adjective describing the feeling when there is nothing to do or when someone is not interested. For example, she was so bored that she fell asleep. Boring is also an adjective, but it describes the cause, the reason of the feeling. For example, the class was so boring that she fell asleep. The class is the reason for her feeling. Keep in mind that only people or animals can be bored, while things, situations, and people can be boring. That's it for today. See you next time.